What's up everybody, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I'm coming at you with this 2000 Jeep Wrangler. It just seems like the whole world's gone Jeep Wrangler crazy lately. Well, it's probably just the country, America, because hey, they're American. And this one I'm really just kind of showing off because it's kind of got some cool things under the hood. Well, look at that. If it isn't a turbo diesel Cummins engine. Well, that's exciting. I'm pretty sure this is not a factory trim level. In fact, I'm fairly confident, as I have been told, that it came out of a generator or something like that. I don't know. I don't know anything about engines, but what I do know about is radios. And in here you can see that we have the new Sony AX5000. Let me get some light. Okay, that's a little bit better. So as I'm sure you know by now, my favorite radio is the Sony AX5000. I've been throwing it in almost everything lately. And this is, of course, no exception. This is, like I said, a 2000 Jeep Wrangler, and it's got this really nice little double-din dash kit that fits in real well. And then he's got all these, like, weird custom gauges and switches and all that jazz. That was his engine guy put that one in, so all I did was transfer it over. But as you can see, it's just as you would expect. Out of the radio, does all of its things. Woo! It's really just a radio install, not that big a deal. But this is a really fun Wrangler, and it's cool. I also did some LED bulb swaps and such on it, and installed resistors in order to eliminate hyperflash. But that's pretty much all it is, just a radio install in a really cool car that I like showing off, because these things are fun. I love my job. Alright, I'll talk to you later. See you.